All right, guys, are you ready for some more spring cleaning? Today we're going to tackle the stove and oven. All right, so I pulled off my grills. I've got them soaking in the sink. I'm going to take off my burners because they're kind of nasty and gross. And I'm going to go put these in a sink with a little bit of Ultra Power Plus detergent and 2 drops of the heavy duty degreaser concentrate. And I'm going to let them soak while we work on the rest of the stove. Now, options for you when it comes to cleaning your stovetop. You can use your Envirocloth, which is going to tackle most jobs. If it's really extra greasy, you can spray it down with your heavy duty degreaser. Another favorite that I like to use for my stovetop is the cleaning paste and a wet Spiri sponge. Remember, this is a scratch-free sponge, so it's safe to use on your surfaces, your ceramic and glass tops, and your regular tops, okay? As long as it's wet, it's going to be just fine. So mine is pretty clean, actually. So I am going to start on the oven and show you some tips for inside the oven. All right, when I go into my oven, you can see there's burnt on stuff, there's cheese, pizza, you know, the whole shebang. So I like to take my netted dishcloth to grab the big stuff in here. And then one of my new favorites, like we have the oven and grill cleaner, which is great. You get your oven a little warm, spray it down with the oven and grill cleaner, let it do its thing. I also like to use the Biozyme. I just spray it down, let it foam up on these parts that are really dirty. And I'm gonna let it do its thing. So those enzymes have to have some time to work. So for the glass, it is very easy to handle with your cleaning paste and Spiri sponge. It'll take off all the burnt on crud. So just get a little bit on there, go to town. All right, we're back to the outside of our stove now. We can use, again, our heavy duty degreaser. A lot of times the Envirocloth and just water will be able to clean off all the gunk here. My knobs are pretty dirty, so I am just gonna spray mine all down with my degreaser. Now, in case you don't know, the knobs actually will come off of your stove, making it very easy so that you can clean out behind them. So I'm gonna pop these all off. And they are pretty greasy on the back too, so I'm just gonna throw them in my sink with my laundry detergent and my stove burners. We're being real here, you guys. This is spring cleaning. It's in depth, and you guys can see how dirty my house really gets sometimes. Bye, boys. It gets really dirty. Nasty.
All right, so you may not know that underneath the stove doors, there's a split here in most ovens that you can stick your Envirowand up and clean between the glass panes. Now we're gonna work on what's underneath. So if you don't want to pull out your stove, the Envirowand works very well to pull out what is underneath. You can just use it to scrape out the stuff. There's a lot under there.
I'm gonna take this easy. Right now on the side of my stove, definitely spray this stuff down with the degreaser. Also spray down the inside of my cabinets with the degreaser. Brush and some cream cleanser to kind of give them a good rub down.